Today we're going to be talking about 3 key ingredients for building a robust IT asset management function fit for the digital enterprise. Let's take a look. Hi, my name is Keivan Shernia. I head the Managed Service Business at Fusion, where we help organizations gain the critical capabilities they need to bolster up their service management and operations capabilities, supporting their digital acceleration programs. In this video, we're looking at the 3 key principles that are needed to build an effective IT asset management and configuration management function that deliver business outcomes within 2 to 4 months. That's right, you heard me right. 2 to 4 months. These 3 principles are: go top down, don't boil the ocean, focus on the business outcomes. Number 2 is focus on improving the data quality by improving your internal processes and defining a methodology for delivering high quality configuration management database that people trust in. Number 3 is define a maturity roadmap for your asset management configuration management processes that is aligned to the business outcomes that you're looking for. Now, we're going to go through this in a little while, but I want to explain first of all why we feel this is such an important area. Let's take a look. Here's a representation of a busy IT landscape with the CIO leading her organization. In this depiction, our CIO is doing 2 things. The first is that she's looking at her customers' needs. Who are my customers and what services are they consuming? How much should we be charging for these services? What else can we do to improve business competitiveness? And to answer these questions, she looks inside her organization asking, what services are we offering our customers and how much do they cost? What service levels are we offering? How do we improve the services? How do we conform to internal governance and industry regulations? Unfortunately, the reality is that many IT organizations don't have a fully functioning and trusted asset and configuration management processes, making it very hard to answer these questions accurately and quickly. And that's why we've created an outcomes-based service focusing on delivery of these 3 key principles. Let's go through them. Number 1, don't boil the ocean, go top down. Take a top-down approach in building your CMDB. Focus on the business outcomes and define what the consumers of the CMDB actually need. Only then look at how you fulfill these needs. Number 2, focus on the data quality. CMDB data quality is impacted by many factors. Here are some of the key areas which requires laser focus on. Improving data quality is not an easy task, but we have developed a unique methodology and a set of data quality assurance processes that accelerate this effort hugely, which I will cover in a separate video. Time for number 3. Define a roadmap for your asset and configuration management maturity that covers these areas. The first step is to find and track your IT assets. When that task is completed, move on to managing the asset lifecycle effectively. And finally, start to optimize assets and automate management of the assets. These 3 principles, going top down, focusing on the data quality and defining a maturity roadmap, are the 3 key ingredients that we have been working really hard to refine. And we're now in our 5th generation of service, delivering these capabilities to our customers, helping them to really quickly gain the maturity that they need around IT asset management and configuration management processes. In the next 3 videos, we're going to break down each of these items individually and go through them. In the meantime, if you follow the link below, you will see a case study of a global fashion retailer who applied these techniques through the services that we provided to achieve its information security requirements within 3 months. And don't forget, we are continuing to develop this series of videos on digital acceleration. So if you're after some more information coupled with some really bad acting, then click on the subscribe button over here. Till then, sayonara.